everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's sunny today, no rain. So we'll see how today folds out. All right, got a small box from Character Warehouse haul. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, let's see what we got here. Open up, unboxing. Alright, let me pull all this stuff out. Okay, not a lot. Empty. Alright. What do we got here? All right, we got Mickey 50th anniversary bag charm. Cute. Okay. I got my Christmas Crocs. One side has Donald. The other side has Mickey. And then they have Sherpa lining. Took a long time to get these. These were very hard to get, but they're pretty cool. All right, there's the hanger. All right, we got another bag to use for recycling. I got 2 hand sanitizers, Small World. Okay. Got a Disney Park Loungefly Minnie Mouse wallet, really cute. Looks like it's a zip around. It has Disney parks there. Yeah. It opens up and it has the dots. A lot of storage though, which is nice. Then black on the other side. Then Minnie's different faces, the bow, all that. And the Halloween Magic Band Plus. All right, so that's my haul for today. Not a lot of stuff. So we'll see what happens next week on the Character Warehouse. And maybe I'll get my bags, so we'll see. Never gonna see my recycle bags. All right, hope everybody's having a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for your support. Bye now.